It's off your sparkle.
Oh yeah. Wait, don't take pictures of me looking confused.
Too
I
late.
don't usually look confused or anything.
Go on, write your name.
What? I
Come
can't
on,
write my
start
name
from the
before.
back and the beginning.
How do you spell it?
You look like a cheerleader.
Does that spell it?
Go and do a circle. Two
I can do
circles.
circles, they're well easy. That one doesn't want to go in circles. No, that one won't go in circles.
Scratching your head and nothing to
My left arm won't do a circle. My right arm won't, but my left arm will.
Yeah. We'll try and do it in front of the video. Oh, excellent. Woo.
My right arm's only do circles.
Woo, look at that. Oh, that's fantastic.
Mine's can't. This one's bent.
That's it.
Right, it's bending.
Oh, this is brilliant. Woo. Put it on
Have we
YouTube.
got a good circle, Carl? Go the other way. Now you used to go like that with your legs and everything.
What?
You used to go like that with your legs. You can't do it with the other hand.
You can keep your head straight now when you're doing it.
It doesn't work.
You can see my hand.
Circle change. That means it's going to burn the hand.
I'm going out.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. You don't tell. You're going to be on Facebook, Becky.
I'm not.